This video explains about HTML microdata. It involves adding machine-readable context to HTML content. Microdata is a standardized way to provide additional semantics and structured data within HTML content. It helps search engines understand your content. It improves search engine optimization and rich search results. It is machine-readable metadata embedded in HTML, and it is a part of HTML5 specification. There are 5 core microdata attributes. First one is itemscope, which creates an item and indicates that descendants contain information about it. Second one is itemtype, which specifies the vocabulary universal resource locator that describes the item and its properties. Third one is itemprop, which defines a property of an item using name-value pairs. Fourth one is itemit, which provides a unique identifier for the item. It is optional. Fifth one is itemref, which references elements that are not descendants of the current item. An example of basic microdata structure is shown. Schema.org is the standard vocabulary for microdata. Schema.org is a collaborative project founded by Google, Microsoft, Yahoo, and Yandex to create a standardized vocabulary for structured data markup on web pages. It provides a collection of shared vocabularies that webmasters can use to mark up their pages in ways that can be understood by major search engines. There are several schema types available. Some of them are person, organization, article, movie, place, and product and event. The way schema.org is related to web search engines like Google and Bing is shown. This is a basic microdata example that shows a person's information. This example shows how to mark up basic information about a person using HTML microdata with schema.org vocabulary. It uses itemscope to create a new item. It specifies item type as person from schema.org. It adds properties with itemprop attributes and includes name, job title, and website universal resource locator. The microdata for marking a person's name, job title, and website is shown in the code. Let's understand how to mark up product information using microdata. An example code is shown, which contains itemscope, item type, with the value as https://schema.org/product , itemprop with the value as name, image, and description. The product name is wireless headphones and its description is premium noise-canceling headphones. The product pricing details are mentioned using itemprop with the value as offers, price, and https://schema.org/offer . Microdata allows nesting items within other items to create relationships between different entities. Items can contain other items as property values. Each nested item has its own itemscope and item type. It is useful for complex relationships like author, article, organization, employee, and so on. It helps search engines understand content relationships. For example, a recipe with author information can be modeled with nested microdata items. After implementing microdata, it is important to validate your markup to ensure search engines can properly interpret your structured data. Here are some of the testing tools. First one is Google Rich Results Test. It tests if your page is eligible for rich results in Google search based on the structured data it contains. Second one is Schema Markup Validator, which is an official schema.org validator that checks your structured data against the schema.org vocabulary. Third one is Microdata to JSON LD Converter, which converts HTML microdata to JSON LD format, which is another popular structured data format. Fourth one is Structured Data Testing Tool, which visualizes how search engines see the structured data on your page and highlights any errors. Following are some search engine optimization benefits of microdata. It enables enhanced search listings with ratings, prices, availability, and other relevant information, which results in rich search results. Rich results stand out in search listings, leading to higher click-through rates compared to standard results, so it improves click-through rates. It helps search engines understand the context and meaning of your content more accurately, which results in better content understanding. Structured data helps voice assistants provide more accurate answers from your content, which helps in voice search optimization. A comparison between a standard search result and a rich search result with microdata is shown. To optimize your microdata implementation, following are some of the best practices. Always use specific types. Choose the most specific schema type that applies to your content rather than generic ones. Always mark up visible content. Only add microdata to content that is visible to users on the page. Test thoroughly. Validate your microdata implementation using testing tools before publishing. Be consistent. Use the same schema types consistently across similar content on your website. Some useful resources for microdata implementation are schema.org documentation, Google Search Central, MDN Web Docs, Microdata, and Schema Markup Generator. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.